How to fix WhatsApp verification code. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix if WhatsApp verification codes are not coming through. The first thing you want to do is open up your phone setting. Then you want to disable any focus, do not disturb or SMS filtering features. These can block incoming text. Next, you want to turn on the airplane mode. Once you have turned it on, wait for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you again want to turn it off. This is going to reset your network connection. If you're still not getting the code, then the next thing you want to do is make sure your device's date and time is accurate. For this, open up settings. Then you want to tap on General Management. Now select Date and Time. Make sure that you have toggled on the option of Automatic Date and Time. If you have not, then you want to set the accurate date and time manually. Now, the next thing you want to do is simply restart your phone to clear any lingering glitches. If you still do not receive any code, then you want to open up Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to type in WhatsApp. Now, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.